I'm just going to do a quick scout of Site 72 at Cooke State Park here in Carlton, Minnesota. It's a pretty full campground like it usually is. This site is right next to the entry point for the Cipher-Tu trail. We're right by the awesome split rock here towards the end of this campground loop. So this site's always been kind of in the back of my mind. I am camping here tonight at W68. But since I was over in the area here, I figured I'd take a look. So I might want to camp here one day, and then the more I walked into it, the more I started to love it. Get this really cool bridge right here. That is just awesome. You got your own little area back here. You're pushed away from the general population for the most part. You got one neighbor here kind of close. You got a little community over there, but I mean, as far as the campsites go at this campground, at this state park, this is a jewel. It's relatively low risk considering the other sites, how close they are to each other. It's not too bad of a walk to the vault toilet. You just go around that loop. It's just down there. It's actually where I was coming from, those vault toilets down there. Yeah, so just coming around that loop right there, you just head up this way. You get two vault toilets right here. So not too bad, not too bad. You just go right back around that loop and right back to that campsite, 72. Pretty much nothing back here. Might be a little bit of trail meandering back there. Don't know how close it is for sure. Yeah, this is an awesome site. Site 72 at 66+6 at Cooke State Park in Carlton, Minnesota. Carlton County. We do have pretty good cell signal here. Looks like about 2 bars. A little slow to load. I was hiking here earlier today, so I do have a scout video, or I will have a scout video of the 4 backpack sites here, which are all totally awesome. You should check those out if you're interested. But this site is even cooler than I thought it was. All those times I drove by it wondering about it. There we go, got an update there. Reasonable cell signal. Right at the end of the campground, at the end of the last loop here. There's not too dramatic of a hiking experience over here, but there is a hiking experience. So if you do camp here and you're able to, you might want to check out this Cipher-Tu trail here. This is my 4th camp trip here tonight, and I always considered this hike here, which would start off right about here where we're at. Go over this way, around up here. So yeah, there is actually a bit of a hiking experience. You can go all around in here. You can go around down closer towards the St. Louis River and circle back up here where we are. Pretty cool. There's another bridge here with, well, that's so cool. All right, so just a quick one. Site 72 at J. Cooke State Park in Carlton, Minnesota. Hope this helped. Take care.